Hello, viewers. I hope you are doing well and busy with your upcoming ECD pedagogy for different subjects. Thank you so much for your concern. Thank you so much for your messages. Thank you so much for your attention and watching this content. As I have mentioned, that I'm trying to give you the suitable and useful content for your pedagogy test. So similarly, today I'm going and highlighting the information about the ECD specializations, math, which is most important. And I have received messages privately regarding that what exactly we need to focus on it. So I have prepared the lessons, some useful lessons, feedback from, if you didn't watch that lessons, please go through it. Okay, there's a pedagogy for there's a playlist for ECD specialization for math. Okay, and there's a 15 lessons which are consisting on simple questions and answers. Another thing, there's another lessons for ECD pedagogy, simple questions and answers. For that's another place. So for every subject or the content, I'm preparing the different or individual playlist. Okay, so while you are on the channel, you have to check the different playlist, and I'm sure this is going to help you a lot. Okay, so guys, as you can see in the background, that today's topic about, yes, percentage. Yes, so I'm going to discuss and share the information about the percentage and some tips and techniques that I'm going to link that how percentage topic or content important for you and how you have to focus on it. I know you are the math specialized, okay, and you have a good command on this one. Okay, so this video is just purpose for those who have missed or who have ignored these content and who took lightly. So I'm just going to show you that how the percentage is important in your math specialization. So if you're new to my channel, okay, don't forget to press the subscribe button there. If you want more videos, press the bell icon button. Your comments, your likes are really valuable to me. So it's a humble request to subscribe the Teaching and Learning Pedagogy TLS. So let's go for the lesson. But first, I'm going to share the questions which are part of your sample or study guide. Okay, let's have a look on that. So I'm going to share the screen first. And there is a, let's see, as you can see here, and these questions already I have solved and you can find out them. But my concern is to tell you the questions of which has been taken from the content of the percentage. So let's see. This is the question you can see here. So this one is okay, number 11 question, which is the percentage. Red pens, black pens. Okay, you can find out the answers there in the playlist. Another question. Let's see the percentage. Another question you can see here. Now this question, number 17. Okay, the time, how much time is spent. So you have to be very careful. 12%, 30%, 15%. Another question. Okay. Let's see. I think I haven't missed. Maybe. So see another question about Ahmedabad. Okay, so how much percentage is this? Third question. Okay. Even this is also the concern of the percentage of this one. Okay, but this is not how much percentage. So This is 3 or 4 questions in your sample guide. Okay, and another thing, in my previous video I have shared with you the feedback of the teachers, and the teacher shared with me the questions. There were more questions. I think 3 or 4 questions were from the percentage content. Okay, this one. So guys, my friend, viewers, okay, percentage content is very important, especially for ECD as specializations. I'll request you read and study all the aspects of the percentage. Take a good command of that one. Don't miss any information. So if you are facing 2 to 3 questions in your pedagogy, that's a really huge number of that question. So today it's about the percentage. I'm going to share this information. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to share again this is the ECD specialization lesson 6. So first, percentage or percent. Okay, in fraction, in percentage, the bottom will always be 100, no matter what is the top number. So as you can see here, the 13%, and in fraction, how we're going to write 13 by 100. So numerator will be 13 and denominator is 100. This is the 1 point, okay, about percent in a fraction. Percentage, these and fractions, okay. How 3%, 5%, 7%, 9%, and onwards, 10%, 20%, like how you're gonna write in the fraction. You can see in the right column. Numerator will be the percentage you're looking for. However, denominator, as I have mentioned, that always be 100. We'll move to the third. There's 2 things. What about the 100%? Do we have 100%? Yes, do we have a? Do we have 120%? Do we 150%? Yes, but these are the proper and improper fraction. So if the percentage is above the 100, that will be improper. 110, that will be improper fraction. Okay, so this is the 1 point. Okay, there's a 0%. Yes, there's a 0%. So how are we gonna write? Okay, the 0%, 0 by 100, and how are we gonna write 100%? 100 by 100. So is equal to 1. 1 second. I'm sorry. Thank you. Another thing, percentage into fraction form and decimal form. 15% in fraction, 15 by 100. In decimal, we'll divide 15 by 100, 0.015. Clear? Percentage, fraction, and decimal. Now convert fraction into percentage. How are we going to convert fraction into percentage? For example, 5 divided by 8. So 5 we're going to multiply with 100% and divide by 8. So either 5 divided by 8%, or we're going to divide 5 by 8. That will be 62.5%. So we're going to convert fraction into percentage by multiplying 100 and dividing with the given denominator. Sample questions, and you have to work with me. In 2 successive tests, a student gains marks of 57 by 79 and 49 by 67. Is the second mark better or worse than first? So what is that? There's 2 values, the first performance and the second performance. After solving that, which will be the better or which will be the worst. So we have to find the percentage of both values, right? One thing, this value, these values have been given in fraction form. As I have mentioned, how the fraction value can be solved or have a look on, think about. I'm pausing the video. So first, you have to go for the first value, the score, and then you have to go for the second one. Right? So let's see the solution for SQ1. Now here you can see the solution 1, 57 multiply 100% divide by 79. Keep in your mind, numerator always be multiplied with 100%. Correct? So part 1, 57 multiplied by 100 is equal to 5,700, 5700. Then we'll multiply 5700 with 79%. 5700 divided by 79% in fraction. This can be also answered, or you can divide 5700 with the denominator 79. Converting into decimals, divide the numerator with the denominator. So the answer will be 72.15%. Similarly, we'll go for the part 2, 49 divided by 67, because we are going to compare 49 into 100% divided by 67. Similarly, we'll multiply the 49 numerator with 100% and divide with a 67%. So the value, when you multiply 49 into 100, that will be 4900 and divided by 67. That's into fraction. Converting into decimal, it will be 73.13% in decimal. Right? So you can see here now, back to the question, which, okay, the students gain marks, okay, 17. So which one is the better or which one is the worst? So let's see, which one is a greater value? 73.13, 72.15. So 72.15 is the worst, then 73.13%. Clear? So this is the one of the math. When you find the value into fraction, if there's a single value, then you have to go just for the part 1 step. If there's a two values or more than 2, then you have to compare. But keep in your mind, as I always say, that you have to read the instructions carefully, what the examiner is going to ask you. Clear? Let's move to the sample question 2. In a machine shop, it takes 32 minutes to machine a certain part using a new tool. So means, what is the changes in the existing machine? Okay, they replaced as some tool or a new tool. They want to check the performance with the new tool and old tool. So means we are going to check the time, which tool takes less time. The time can be reduced by 12%, 12.5%. Calculate the new time taken. So The examiner said when they replaced a tool, old tool, the performance was 12.5%. They reduced the time. So means they improved the performance with a new tool. Think about it. We have to find the new time. With the old tool, it took 32 minutes. With a new tool, they reduced 12.5%. So we're gonna minus 12.5% from the total time. But first we need to know how much is the 12% of 32. Think about it. Let's move. As you can see, first calculate the 12.5% of 32 minutes. 12.5% will change after the replacement of new tool. It means it will work faster. 12.5% multiply with the total time, which is 32 minutes, divided by 4 is equal to 4. Means the 12.5% of 32 minutes is 4. So 4 minutes has been reduced after replacing the tool. So we're gonna replace, or we're gonna subtract the 12.5% from 32 minutes. So 32 minus 4 is equal to 28. So minutes will take, 28 minutes will take instead of 32 minutes due to new tool. Clear? So these are the two methods, okay? When the percentage is given to you, how you're gonna take the percentage of the total value, and if the value is given into the fraction, how you're gonna change it, and if they are asking to you compare these fraction value, that which one is faster or which one is the worse, then you're gonna compare them. For both fraction values, or if it is more than 2 values, you're gonna apply the same method for that. The purpose of this video to draw your attention that how percentage content are important for you. I do not want any of you gonna lose any marker for that. So I'm sure it will gonna help you. So just focus on it, stay connected, and if you have any questions regarding that, okay, please write in the comment box. For further videos for another topic, for which is the most important according to the feedback of the teachers and your study guide, I'm sure I'll be uploading as soon as possible. Keep supporting me, keep subscribing me. I appreciate for your comments, your liking videos. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care of your children, take care of family, parents, and all your next of kin.